Hey guys, it's your girl Danita here for another review. I want today to review the Super Fit treadmill. I ordered it on Amazon and it was scheduled to come September 21st, the week of September 21st, and it actually came a week early, so I was surprised about that. It was a nice size box, but not too big. And they delivered it to my front door. So here we have the treadmill, the user manual that came with it. Will you hand me the box? Came in the box, foam to keep it all sturdy. And this box is inside it with the, hand me the control. With this piece of equipment for, I believe, for like if something goes wrong under it. I haven't gotten like if you need to do some type of small repairs or something. And then a wrench. I did not need this to put the treadmill together, but these came for the just in case, I believe. Some oil to lubricate your the belt. An Allen wrench. Let's see. And then there's an Allen wrench with a Phillips screwdriver on the end. I thought that was neat. I've never seen that before. Comes with a remote. And also the emergency piece that comes with all treadmills. So that if you're on the treadmill and you're supposed to attach it to yourself, hook it to yourself, and this will be hooked to the treadmill, which I'll show you in a minute. And then if you happen to fall or something, it'll pull away and the treadmill will stop. So this comes with it. And also it was a piece that we've already attached that I'll show you in a minute, that to hold your cell phone. And when I did notice on some of the reviews that they stated they needed an extension cord because the cord's kind of short, and I did need one, so I went and picked up an extension cord to use it. It's a 3-prong plug, and then also in the book they have the like when we plugged it up, we had an error message. It was E07, and then when I looked it up in the book, it showed that the safety lock drop was not attached. Here's the error messages you may receive, what the reason is, and how to correct it. So this is the safety lock drop that we did not have connected correctly, because we did have it on there, but it wasn't on there properly. So let me show you. Okay, let me show you this real quick. For the product maintenance, number 9 on page 17 of the manual, it states for lubrication, the running is used for a period of time and must be lubricated with special methy silicone oil. If you use it 1 hour or less per week, lubricate once every 6 months. And then so on. It says if you use more than 6 hours per week, lubricate every month. But anyway, all those directions are in here in the manual. And yeah, let me show you what it looks like, guys. Here it is. Let me get it down. Let's see, I may have to get my granddaughter to manually hold this and then just point it towards the camera. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. So here's a treadmill, and it's just like this. Doesn't take up a lot of space. And to let the bar down, you'll pull this out, unlocks it, and then you can adjust the bar and it'll go all the way down flat. Just like that. So we'll put it back up and lock it back. And I'm going to turn it on. And tonight, can you show them the error message? Show them this way so they can see. Show them this way so they can see the E07. And that's because I don't have the thing. Is a magnet on there. And see how it fixed. And you have to start it with the remote. That's how you get it going. It comes with a battery already, and it's one of those like the watches, these type batteries. This one is the 3 volt CR 2032 battery. So I'll test it out for you guys for a little bit. Push the power button to get it going. It'll do a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Then it'll start slow. And then you can increase it using the plus. Right now it's 1.0. It'll go up 1 decimal point per click. This is 2.0. This is 3.0. Since I have my dress pants and dress shoes on, I won't go too much faster. But I'll get off of it and see. Let's see how fast it'll go. So it'll take you up to a run. Oh my gosh, that's pretty good. Oh wow, it's still going, guys. I'm not going to keep going with it. That's 10.3 right there. Nobody's going to be running that fast on this, I would hope. But anyway, so you can just stop it and it'll decrease down until it gets to 0. It keeps up with your speed, the distance, even your calorie burn and your time. So yeah, guys, I am pretty pleased with it so far. Like I said, it doesn't take up too much room. And yeah, I like it a lot. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Again, this is the Super Fit treadmill from Costway. And let me know if you have one, how long you've had it. And yeah, and how you like it. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So good to see you again. Look forward to our next video coming up really soon with a vacuum. We'll be cleaning a rug, and then we'll have another video where I'll be cleaning my car seats and the carpet in that. So I will be seeing you soon, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.